going on, everybody? We got a nice little install today for everybody. We got this JBR Tru-Torsion. It's a 32 millimeter rear sway bar on this 2014 Ford Focus ST. And as you can see, this thing is freaking massive. This is you, and it actually tells you not to worry about it. So I already got it off before I started trying to record or whatever. But basically what you gotta do is you got 14 millimeter here, and then I believe it is, oh wait, I'm confused already. Let me see real quick. So yeah. Okay, dude. You got a 14 millimeter here, and then the two brackets here that go on the bottom. Those are gonna be, or these two brackets right here are gonna be 13s, two 13s, and then a 14 millimeter here. I really can't wait for my endlinks to get here, so I'm just gonna install this right now. So yeah, all you're gonna need is a 13 and a 14 millimeter just to take off the rear sway bar. And what you want to do is lift up both the rear end, put it on jack stands, and then take both your wheel wells off. And then when you take your rear wheel off, you're gonna take this nut off right here. That's gonna be the 14, and then you're gonna want to take off the two 13s on each side. I got the JBR Tru-Torsion. But yeah, that's gonna be your whole install right there. And then once you get that done and everything, then you're gonna want to put your wheels back on. Put your wheels back on and then tighten them up and then lower it back down. One thing that you do need to know is, so I have it on the stiffest setting. The hole that's closest to the front is the stiffest setting, and then the hole all the way back, which is here, is the softer setting. So I just want to balls out because I'm going to be replacing these anyways. So, and yeah, I'm going to go put this wheel back on, and then we're going to go send it. Hell yeah. What's up? But I'm already on quiet mode, so that's okay. Cop, he likes to just pull U-turns right in the middle of the highway, cause all these accidents and shit. We're just gonna take it down the Spirited Road, a little nice curvy one. I did notice my tires, they weren't the best, but YOLO swag 420. Yeah, let's give this girl some beans. Road real quick, and the good thing is it's right here, so it's not that far. The bad thing is oh, there is no bad thing as long as there's nobody else on that road, so we will see. Hit this brake a little bit. Oh, there's a little dirt. I just drove over some water, so that's fun. You heard it here.